Take a watercolor sheet cut into a Polaroid and secure it using a masking tape. Now using the wet on wet technique, wet your sheet with clear water and a flat brush. Now take rainbow colors or any colors of your choice and start dropping them diagonally. Make sure you are dabbing the colors and not dragging them. Since our sheet is already wet, the colors will flow beautifully. After the first layer is done, let it dry. You can use a hairdryer to speed up the process, though I prefer to air dry it. Now start working on the second layer to intensify the colors. Patience is really the key here. Let it dry once it's done. Working on the third layer now to intensify the colors even more. You can then leave it as it is or blend all the colors together as I am doing. The choice is all yours. Let it dry. Splattering some white paint to add stars, you can use white acrylic gouache paint or white gel pen, or even a brush loaded with white watercolor. Now the most satisfying part, peeling off the masking tape. Don't worry about the color bleeding a bit on the sides, we will cover it up using a black marker. You can make the border and leave it at it if you like, or you can add more details as I am doing here, totally up to your liking. And that's the finished look with a completed border and hope written in 4 calligraphy.